So I just filmed this whole entire video without the mic on. Hello everyone, so today I have my Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This is for the month of March. Like I said, I just filmed this video so I know everything that's in here, but I want to go through it and show you guys what I got. I think that there are some pretty great things in this box, and I have to apologize for looking all frizzy and kind of crazy. I literally just got back from a bike ride with my husband and my two girls. We went and bought one of those little trailer things that you hook up to the bike and sit the kids inside and get them all snuggly and then go ride. It was a lot of fun. So I'm looking a little crazy today, so I apologize about that. So let's just go ahead and jump on into the video. Before we get started though, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to ring your notification bell so you're notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in the March Allure Beauty Box, then just keep watching. If you aren't familiar with Allure, it's a $15 a month beauty subscription service, makeup, skincare, hair care, all that fun stuff. Like I said, $15 a month, but you do pay for tax. So I pay like $16 and some change for this box. And you open it on up. This is what it looks like. You always get a little pamphlet inside, which gives you all the information to the products that are in the bag, and then they also give you coupon codes. I always make sure to put those in the description box below, so if you ever are interested in using those coupon codes, you can definitely do that. So this is my bag this month. It's got a hole in it. We always get these kinds of bags. We've gotten a black one and a red one, so I'm not too bummed about the fact that it's broken, but it's pretty packed full of stuff. So I'm just gonna pull out the first thing. This is the Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Gel Cleanser. It's supposed to reveal a more refined looking complexion. So this is actually a pretty decent size. This is 2 fluid ounces. So I don't know for sure if this is full size. I would assume not. I'm guessing. The full size retails for $28. I really do enjoy Juice Beauty's products. I have a moisturizer from them that I do really enjoy. One thing to take note, it does say that it contains retinol palmitate, if I'm saying that right. So it says not to use it if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. So I just thought that was one little interesting fact. If you're breastfeeding or pregnant, don't use this guy. The next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Burt's Bees. It's a lipstick. It's in the shade 501 Blush Basin. And this shade is so pretty. I'll just do a little swatch for you right here. It's got like this glossy finish to it that I'm dying over. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This is what it looks like right here. It's just got this really pretty shininess to it. Makes it so you don't have to put a gloss on afterwards, which I'm all for. One less step in my makeup routine is always a plus for me, and I think that this shade in particular is gorgeous. Definitely a shade that I go for all the time. So the lipstick is obviously full size, and it does retail for $9. The next thing I got, this is the Aqua Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. So it just comes in this little like roller ball kind of a thing, just looking like that. It just says, no need to feel blue with our antioxidant rich blue tansy oil, a concentrated blend of nourishing botanicals to soothe and refresh thirsty skin. This nighttime oil is used in place of a night cream for those seeking deep hydration and balance. Definitely always seeking hydration because my skin is so dang dry. So this is definitely something that I'm interested in trying. It's not like the most mind-blowing product I've ever gotten in these boxes before, I will say that, but it is pretty interesting. It does just have this kind of herbally scent to it. And they also said that you could use this on the ends of your hair, on your cuticles, and on dry spots before makeup, which I also thought was pretty interesting. I definitely am gonna try that, just rolling it on to dry spots on my face before I put on makeup and see how that goes. A full size of this does retail for $12.99. That's for an ounce. This is 0.3 fluid ounces, so obviously not full size, so there you go. The next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the All Natural. This is the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick. This is in the shade Grapefruit. Also another full-size product, which I think is awesome. This is what the color looks like. I'll give you guys a little swatch on the back of my hand. So it just looks like that. I actually think it's really pretty. It's like this corally, pinky, with gold shimmer in it, which I think is really pretty. And it does blend out really nicely. So it just ends up looking like that on your hand. It's just got this really nice, sheeny, glowy kind of look to it. I don't think I have any cream blushes, which I'm really surprised because like I said, I have really dry skin. So cream products are like my jam. Obviously full size, and it does retail for $35, which is pretty awesome. You got double what you paid for the box right in this little guy right here. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I've never heard of this brand before, but I will say that this shade looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm excited to play with this. The next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Pomade Rose Water Toner. It's supposed to provide a soothing moisture to all skin tones. I feel like we got this brand in our last box. I'll have to put somewhere on the screen if we did for sure. Maybe it was a cleanser. Don't remember for sure, but I want to say I've seen this brand in this box before. The full size of this does retail for $23. So basically it's just a toner that leaves your skin softer and more moisturized, and it's made with organic damask roses that the brand says were handpicked by Dawn, or at Dawn, handpicked at Dawn. So there you go, something a little fun. I feel like this is a pretty decent size for a toner. I don't feel like you would go through this very fast. I'm not a huge toner person, so for me personally, this is just kind of like, what if? Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out of here, this is the Belief the True Cream Aqua Balm. I've actually gotten a lot of foil packets of this, and I actually really like it. It's super moisturizing. I can put this on and my face in the morning feels amazing. So I already know that I really like this. The full size of it is $38. It smells super good, very hydrating. It's a good one. Okay, and the last thing I got in here, this is the Lacquer Enhanced Color by Londontown nail polish. This nail polish retails for $16, which I would say it's pretty dang pricey for a nail polish, but it is really cute. I actually don't have anything like this in my collection, this color at least. Just a very like almost bubblegum pink kind of shade, very spring and fun. So I'm not mad at this at all. I can add another pink shade to my collection. It's a pretty decent product, not mind-blowing, but I like it. Okay, you guys, all in all, I feel like this month was pretty great. We got 7 products in this month's bag, and 3 of them are full size, plus the Juice Beauty cleanser, which is 2 ounces, which I feel like is a pretty great size, getting in a $15 box. Got a little moisturizer. Doesn't have a lot in it. It's got 0.33 ounces, but still, I love this stuff, so any of it I could get, I will take. And then these last 2 products are just kind of like whatever to me, something that I may or may not get use out of. But honestly, these products right here, 5 out of the 7 products I'm super excited for. So I would say this month was a good one. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments down below. And if you got this box, what did you guys think of it? Let me know all your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.